Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your home with Ring beginner guide step by step clearly. First, start by unboxing your Ring device and familiarizing yourself with its components. Locate the user manual inside the box for specific setup instructions. Download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a Ring account if you don't have one. Once logged in, tap on the option to set up a new device. Select the type of Ring device you are installing. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Ring device. Scan the QR code or enter the serial number found on your device. Once connected, choose a location for your Ring device, like your front porch or backyard. For outdoor cameras, ensure the placement provides a clear view of entry points. For doorbells, install it at a height of about 4 feet for optimal performance. Use the provided mounting bracket to secure the device to the chosen location. If applicable, connect the device to your existing doorbell wiring, following manufacturer instructions. After installation, ensure your device is powered on and functioning properly. Return to the Ring app to customize your settings. Set up motion alerts and adjust sensitivity levels based on your preferences. Explore the app's live view feature to check the camera feed in real time. Test the two-way audio feature to ensure clear communication when needed. Integrate with smart home systems if you have compatible devices. Finally, regularly check and update your Ring app to maintain the best security features. Revisit the app periodically to monitor your recordings and adjust settings as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.